This is the bamboo backed yew primitive that I had to reback. Well, originally I tried to do a repair on the bamboo back where it had a little crack across about a third of the way in the centre of the limb. And I glued it with some cascamite and that just didn't seem to work, it popped up. Then I redid the back, got it pulling back to about here and pop, the glue line went. And then I investigated and it turned out the cascamite wasn't any good. It was mixing up to a whitish colour instead of a nice beige. To cut the story short, I got onto the company Polyvine who actually make cascamite. Got a really nice phone call back from a guy. It's a small family company, he really knew what he was talking about and said he'd just send me out another tub of it. In the meantime I bought some Titebond, which is what I've re-glued the back on with. But of course, cleaning off all the old cascamite, I've lost a bit of thickness of both the backing and the yew. So I've glued it up with Titebond, hopefully it will be alright. Meanwhile, I'd also ordered a small tub of cascamite from Axminster. When that arrived, I mixed it up, it looked white. I compared it to the batch of bad glue, it looked the same. Anyhow, the stuff from Polyvine turned up today, so I mixed up a nice quantity, 600 grains, mixed it up exactly as per it should be done. I could immediately see it's a beige colour. Just to double check, I got some of the old bad batch from Axminster, mixed up identical quantity in an identical container with the identical water, put them side by side and you can clearly see the difference. Not only can you see the colour difference, but the glue is sticking to the wooden stirrer in a different manner. I'll let that glue cure overnight and I'll break it in half and I expect I'll be able to see the difference inside, but let's not prejudge that. Meanwhile, back to the story, let's pull this and see if the Titebond has worked. I'm not going to go mad because the tiller will have changed slightly because it's a different bit of bamboo. But this bow is probably as fed up of being repaired as I am of doing it. Well, it hasn't gone pop yet. Oh, that's better. See, the other went bang. The other one, it was popping and cracking. A much lower draw weight than that. There we are. Jesus, 80 at 26. I'll review that and, do all my usual stuff. But that's looking good. It probably won't be, originally it was £120, but it had probably lost some draw weight. I'd had problems with the riser section cracking and splitting, so that had been repaired. But it's a really nice bow, which is why I'm putting the time and effort in to repair it. And it's a challenge, but it'd be easy to say, well, throw it away and start again. But it's nice yew heartwood, nice and wide, which I don't often get. And well, it's a nice bow, and my mate JT likes it. And it's fun. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't fun.